Hi, I'm going to show you how to prove this identity, which you can find on your grade 11 and grade 12 paper. So your original question was 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta minus sin theta. So they asked you to prove this identity. So every time you are asked to prove an identity, you have to take one side and simplify it to look like the other side. So here we have to look for the more complex side, the one that seems a bit complicating than the other one. So here we have 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. Clearly that's the complicated one. We have tan theta. On the other side we only have cos and sine. Cos and sine are like the general trig ratios that we use. Tan theta can be also converted into sine theta over cos theta. So every time you see a side which has tan theta, more than likely you're going to have to simplify that side. So that's why we're going to say LHS. Then you're going to pick this side, 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. So now this is the side that we are going to have to simplify. So first things first, I already told you we're going to change tan into sine theta over cos theta. Every time you see tan, just change that thing. So changing tan into sine theta over cos theta, we're going to have 1 plus sine theta over cos theta. Now this is not an equal sign. All over 1 minus again sine theta over cos theta. So from here what I do is I just add the fractions. We are simplifying it. We have to add the fractions. If we have to multiply fractions, we multiply the fractions. We have to divide them, we divide them. We're just simplifying. So I add these fractions. 1 is obviously 1 over 1, so that's a fraction also. So I'm going to add 1 plus sine theta over cos theta. So adding those will give me because I will multiply 1, this will be 1 over 1. So I'll multiply this 1 and this cos, it's going to become cos theta. Then cross multiplying 1 and cos, going to be cos theta. Then the positive sign plus cross multiplying sine and the denominator 1 and be sine theta. So now this numerator is when you add this this 1 and sine theta over cos theta, it gives me cos theta plus sine theta over cos theta. This is the numerator. So for the denominator, I'm now gonna use the division sign, so that it will be neater. So it's still this over sign, this division sign. So for the denominator, same thing. It's gonna be 1 over 1. I'm gonna do the subtraction. So 1 times cos, it's gonna be cos theta, and then cross multiplying 1 times cos, it's cos theta, and then a negative sign. Cross multiplying 1 denominator 1 times that sign, is going to be sine theta. So now this is what we have. So this is now turned into this. Now it's just a division of fractions. Just need to divide those fractions. So you know, if we have 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, that's the same thing as 1 over 2 times 2 over 3. So just flip the denominator becomes the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. So that's what we do here. So we have cos theta plus sine theta over cos theta times, and then we flip this fraction, cos theta over cos theta minus sine theta. So from here, now it's just the multiplication of fractions. So if you know how to multiply fractions, you will see that, okay, this cos will cancel out this cos. So what we are left with from there, because these two can cancel each other, we're left with cos theta plus sine theta. And then on the denominator side, we're only left with cos theta minus sine theta. Cos theta minus sine theta. But if you look at this, it's the same thing as that one. So therefore we have proved our identity. LHS is equal to RHS.